Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix sales strategies with Coca-Cola. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by identifying the current sales strategies employed by your company. Analyze the strengths and weaknesses of these strategies. Research Coca-Cola's successful sales tactics. Examine how Coca-Cola maintains brand loyalty. Look into their diverse marketing approaches. Focus on their use of emotional advertising to connect with consumers. Study Coca-Cola's seasonal and thematic campaigns. Assess how they leverage partnerships and sponsorships to expand their reach. Implement data analysis to track sales performance over time. Gather customer feedback to understand their preferences. Refine your product offerings based on this analysis. Create a unique value proposition inspired by Coca-Cola's approach. Develop promotional strategies that create urgency, like limited-time offers. Utilize social media to engage with your audience and promote new initiatives. Educate your sales team on the new strategies and techniques. Set clear, measurable goals to evaluate the effectiveness of these changes. Monitor the performance metrics regularly to ensure continuous improvement. Adjust strategies based on data insights and market shifts. Collaborate with other departments to ensure a cohesive approach. Celebrate small wins to keep the team motivated and focused on the objectives. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.